morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, so children, we are going to start. Yes. All are ready?
Yes.
Children, do you remember what we have learned in our previous class?
Yes. Face value.
Chapter 3, we started new chapter 3, numbers. Yes. Then we discussed place value and face value. Okay, now all of you mute your audio. All of you mute your audio. Yes, Irene, you are going to tell me what? Place value? Who can tell me? Yes, Irene, yes. Place value. What do you mean by place value? Yes. Yes, Agna. I didn't send the notes because children, I thought because you have exams now. That's why I will send it today or tomorrow. Okay, because I want, if you are writing the notes, maybe you will not be able to time for PT1 exam. It's going on. So you need time to prepare. Okay, Agna. Yes.
Place value, every digit in a number occupies a place.
Okay, so the digit will get the value of the place that is occupied. It is situated, or the position in the place value chart, according to the position in the place value chart. Okay, so how to define that? Each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. Each digit gets the value from the place that it occupies. Okay, then what is face value?
Face value is
The number
The
itself.
number itself. Face value of a number means that is the number itself. It will not change according to the position in the place value chart. Yes, it is irrespective of position in the place value chart. It is not depending on the any position. It is the same number itself. Same number itself. So children, I will share that screen what we have discussed in the last class. We will quickly revise, then we will do more problems. Okay. So children, last class we have done this, but just to revise. So children, what is that place value? Okay, Andrea, can you read that? Last class we have done, then we are going to revise.
Its value from the place it
Occupies. Each digit gets its value from the place it occupies. Yes. And this value is called? Place value. Okay, Siddharth, can you read what is a face value?
A face value of a number is the number itself.
Number itself. Face value is same number, no change. See here 7 is in 100 place, but the face value is 7 itself. Now you can see the place value chart, children, here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and the place value. From here, children, we will discuss here place value. Okay, so here, what is the value of 6? Because 6 is in ones place. 6 is in ones place means 6 will get the value. 6 into 1, that is the place value. 6 into 1. Okay, now if 3 is in the position or in the place of tens, what will be? What we have
30.
to do? 3 into 10.
30.
Because tens. 3 into 10, the value, that is 30. Okay, now, Abhinav, if 4 is in hundreds place, what will be the place value?
400.
400. Very good. So what we have to do? 4, we have to multiply with the value, that is place value. 4 into 100. What is that? 400.
400.
Okay. Now, thousands, please. You know thousand. What is thousand here? How many zeros you have to remember? 5 into 1,000. What is the value?
5,000.
1,000. Okay. Now 10,000. Remember how to 10,000? 10,000.
10,000.
Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in 10,000 place. So what is the value of 2?
20,000.
20,000.
20,000.
Understood?
We want to write this in
No need to write. No
our
need to write.
notebook.
Okay. No, not now. Okay. Wait. So children, here ones place. If it is in ones place, we will multiply with 1. If it is in tens place, you have to multiply with 10. If it is in the place of 100, you have to multiply with 100. Then if it is in thousands place, you have to multiply with 1,000. In 10,000, you have to multiply with 10,000. But for face value, I told you to touch the face value will not change. It will be the same number itself. Same place, same chart I will show you, children. So here we have written place value. Now we are going to write face value. Face value. So what is the face value of 6? 6 itself. What is the face value of 3? Even if it is in tens place, face value no change. 3 itself. And what is the face value of 4? 4 itself. But if it is in 100 place, the value does not change. Here thousands, that is also 5. In 10,000 place, what is the value of face value of 2?
2 itself.
Okay, 2 itself. There is no change. Okay, then children, we discussed number name. Number name. So last class we studied, it is divided into how many periods? Ones period and thousands period. Ones period and thousands period. So how to read this number, children? After these 1, 2, 3 positions from the right side, we had to place the comma. So how to read the number? 25 is in which period? 5,000. 436. 36,000.
36,000.
346. 64,721. Now children, this is what we have studied so far. Place value, face value and the number name. Now all of you please take out your math workbook. Math workbook. All of you mute your room.
Ma'am, I already took.
Page number 18. Now I will call one by one to read. Okay. Don't say together. All the children, please take out your math workbook. Page number 18. Yes, Arav. Can you read question number 1? Mute. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Louder. Louder.
The number name of 400.
It's count the number of digits. Count the number of digits. How many digits are there?
Ma'am. 4.
4 digits. So how to read that number?
400.
Let me see. So Arav, this is 4. What is this number? Arav, are you there?
40.
40. And what is this number?
400.
400. And what about this number? Ones,
1,000.
tens, 100, 1,000. So how to read this number?
1,000. 1,000.
4,000. So what is the option?
Option A, 4,000.
Very good. Option. So children, we are doing page number. All of you, please check whether you have taken the page number 18. 1 minute. Page number 18. We are doing workbook questions. Page number 18. Question number 1. The answer is A. Option A. Yes, Abhinav. Question number 2. Abhinav.
Ma'am,
The smallest 4-digit number is dash.
I am going to unmute everyone, but I will call by name. Okay, don't say in between. Don't speak that, ma'am, I will do. Okay, all of you will get chance. Okay, the smallest 4-digit number. Yes, look at the smallest 4-digit number. Read the options. 10,000, 1,000. Then
10,000,
100,000.
And then that is 100,000 and 99,999, which is the smallest 4-digit number.
Ma'am, 1,000.
1,000. Very good. So here, children, the answer of question number 2, that is 1,000. Smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. Option B. Okay, question number 3. Lazel, question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 3.
The number name of
The number is 2450. So children, if you
2,450.
then before reading the number, you can place the comma. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits from the right side. So this 2,000. Read the number.
2,450.
2,450. Okay, which is the option correct? Option
C.
C. Option C. Option C. How to read this number, children? It is, we can see ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So 2,000. 2 is in thousands place. 2,000. How many hundred we have? 400.
100.
Then
50.
50. 450. So you can write 2,450. So option that we have done. Option C. Okay. Next one. Darius, can you read question number 4?
The place value of 3
3, 6, 4, 5, 6. We had to write the place value of which number?
3.
3. Look at here. 3 is in which place? Tell me the answer.
10,000.
Option B.
Ones, tens, 100, 1,000,
10,000.
10,000. So 3 is in which place?
10,000.
10,000. So what is the value? So children, we can write these 3. Then after that, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, you have to count the number of zeros. Don't make it make mistakes. If you reduce 1 0, it will be wrong. It will be 3,000. Here, what's the answer? 30,000.
Option B.
Option
B.
Very good. Option B. 30,000. We had to write the place value of 3. So children, you can write the number, then write the position, that place on top of the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 3 is in 10,000 place. That means what is the value of 3? 30,000. Clear, children? Yes,
Yes.
Andrea, can you read question number 5? Andrea, can you read question number 5?
Okay, ma'am. The face value of 4, the number
6, 5, 4, 7,
7,
0. What is the face value of 4?
4. It's 4 itself.
4 itself. Very good. Children, the face value of a number is the number itself. So tell me the option. Which option is correct?
Option C.
Option C. Very good. Option C. So children, here, look here, this 4 is in 100 place, ones, tens, 100. But the face value will not change according to the place. It will be the same number itself. Very good. So the answer is option C. Understood? Anna Rose, can you read question number 6?
Ma'am, the smallest 5-digit number comes just after the largest dash number.
So children, tell me, let me see, before saying that answer, all of you turn on your camera. Yes, Anna Grace, tell me what is the largest 1-digit number? Largest 1-digit number?
The largest 1-digit number is 9.
9. Very good. And which is the smallest 2-digit number?
2. 10.
Smallest 2-digit? 10. Yes, very good. 10. So children, look here. When this 10 is coming, after the largest one-digit number, which is coming? Smallest two-digit number. Okay. Irene, can you tell me which is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99. Okay. Can you tell me which is the smallest three-digit number? Three-digit. Smallest three-digit.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait. She's saying.
100.
All others be quiet. 100. Very good. So when this 100 is coming, it is coming just after the largest two-digit number. Understood? After the largest two-digit number, three-digit small number is coming. After three digits largest number, four-digit small number is coming. Now look here the question. Who was reading? Anna Rose? Read the question. Repeat the question again.
The smallest 5-digit number comes just after the largest dash number.
Tell me the answer. Largest four-digit number. Yes. After the largest four-digit number, we will get smallest five-digit number. So which is the option? Which option is correct?
Option D.
Yes, option D. Very good. Option D. So question number 6, children. It is largest, after the largest four-digit number, we will get smallest five-digit number. Smallest five-digit number. Yashika, you were absent last class? You were there last math class?
No.
No, what happened?
Network problem.
Network problem. So I think there will not be, we were revising that today. So read question number 7 and check whether you can answer me. You were not there in the last class, but we were discussing the topics. Yes, face value, place value, and the number name. Read the question number 7. Yes, Yashika. Read question number 7. Yes, Yashika, I cannot hear you. Number name of?
The number name of 700.
Don't read the number. 72145. Okay. Okay, so what we have discussed, ones, tens, 100. After that, we have to place the comma. You were not there in the last class. That's why I'm explaining this again. Ones, tens, 100. After that, we had to place the comma. Now, we have to read ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Now try to read the number. 72 is in which period? You can see here. 72 is in thousands period. And these three in ones period. Advaita, can you help? She was absent last class. Yes, Advaita, can you help? How to read this number? Can you see the number?
70,000.
Look here. 7 and what is that? This number? 72.
72,000.
1,000. Very good.
145.
Very good. 145. So children, write the answer without any spelling mistake. 72. 72,000. 72,000. 72,145. 145. See children, if we are writing 40, no need to write U there. F-O-R-T-Y. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 45. 72,145. And look at the spelling of 40. There is no U there.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
Done. Done. Okay. Adinad. Question number 8.
The name of
Hmm.
the number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is speaking in between? Let 1 minute, Adinad. Yes, Adinad, 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait. Who is speaking? Yes, Adinad, read the question.
Ma'am, it was a name.
Number
Ah.
for 19,238 is
We have to write the number. Okay, children. So you can draw one small place value. Here, children, we can draw one small place value chart where not in the rough, always you have to write this rough book. You can write here ones, tens. Don't write this in the workbook now. 100,000, 10,000.
We have to write in the rough book.
Rough book, first write in the rough book, then you can write on the workbook. Now, 19,000. So how to write 19? Yes, tell me. Who was saying the answer? Ameya, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, Adinad
19.
was ready.
1, 9, 19,000. Then what is that? 19,235. 2 is in 100 place. Then what we have? 38. So what is the number? What is the number here? 1, 9, 2, 3, 8. 1, 9, 2, 3, 8. How to read this number? 19,238. 238. So the number name is given. What you have to do? You have to write the number for the number name given. Is that clear, children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to draw the place
Ma'am,
value
I
chart
had
in our
network issues.
workbook.
That's why my class was gone.
Who is that? Who is speaking now?
Anay.
Anay. Okay, Anay. You had network problem. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I
This
told you,
place-
Darius, this place value chart you can draw in the rough book. But here is there any space there? This is fill in the blanks. What do you have to write here? The number for 19,238. You have to write the number only in the workbook. In the workbook, you can write only this. 19,238. Just to practice, I told you to draw this in the rough book. The place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Gauri Nanda. Gauri Nanda, can you read question number 9? All others mute your audio. Question number 9.
Dash is the number name of 8,000.
82160. 82160. Before saying the number, write the place value on top of the number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now read the number. Question number 9. This is question number 9. 82 is in which period? Who is reading the number? Gauri Nanda.
Ma'am, question 8 answer.
Question 8 answer. What is that? 19,238. 19,238. Okay, tell me the answer. Question number 9. Who was saying that answer? Gauri?
Gauri.
Hmm.
82,000.
82,000. Very good. See, look at this number. 82 is in thousands period. So, 160. Very good. So, children, write the number name without any mistake, spelling mistake. 82. 82,000. 82,000. Look here, 82,000. 160. 160. $82,160. Okay, question number 10. Anna Grace don't have the book, yes? Do you have the book? No. Naila,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 10.
What is the number name of
What is the number name of
31829?
31829? After 1, 2, 3, you have to place the comma. Okay. Yes. What is the number name?
31,000.
Very good. Look, can you see this comma? This is here 31,000. 829.
829.
Very good. So write the number 31,000. 31,000. 31,829. 31,800. 829. $31,829. Agna, next question, Agna. Question number 11. Agna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read question number 11?
What is the face value of 1,000 is 700.
All others mute your audio.
31,053.
71053. 71053. Okay, what is the face value of
1,000.
thousands place? Okay. Here you can see which is in thousands place, which number is in, you can find out here. Okay. Right here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Okay. Which number is in thousands place?
1.
1. Okay. Now you have to tell me the face value of 1.
1 itself.
1 itself. Very good. So question number 11, the answer is 1. You can check your digit in the thousands place, that is 1, but we know already face value will not change according to the place. Yes? Okay. Have you completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, not
Okay, I
completed.
will give you one more minute.
Completed.
Yes, complete. Those who have not completed, do it faster. Okay. Now, Alvina Anthony. Alvina. Can you read the question number 12, Alvina?
Which is the largest 5-digit number?
Which is the largest 5-digit number? Largest 5-digit number. Largest 1-digit number is? Largest 1-digit number is?
9.
9. Largest 2-digit number?
99.
99. Very good. Largest 3-digit number?
999.
999. Now, largest 4-digit number? 9,999. Now tell me which is the largest 5-digit number? 99,999. Very good. How many 9 children? Count and write. Largest 5-digit number. So all the digits should be 9. And how many digits should be there? 5. Count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 you have to write.
Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Okay.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay.
Completed.
Yes, yes. Children, now I will take the attendance.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I didn't
Okay, children, now take out your rough book and write the now this number. Only one number I will give you. 32589. Write the number name, place value and face value.
what
of,
we have-
take out your rough book. Close your workbook. Close your workbook and do this number name, place value and face value of the number given here. 32589 face value of the underlined digit. What is underlined digit is 5. Okay, now I'll take the attendance quickly. Adinath. Arav. Asher. Children, have you written the question? 32589. 32589. 32589. Write the answer now.
Can you please share?
Share. You want me to share?